Live scan, scan of your life, scanning your life.
Hey Scott, that's the seminar. Let me jot it down on the schedule.
Okay, I'm also interested in it. Let me jot it down.
You have done it?
Yes, already in it.
Huh?
Oh, William, Piranha Masterclass, I like it. Let me buy the ticket online. Let me jot down the link. www.william.
I've done it! Hey, scan this barcode coupon and then you can enjoy the discount in the book shop.
Really?
Yeah,
Is use my PDA to scan it?
yeah, just scan it.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's ready. Just go to the book shop now.
Okay, fine.
Bye-bye.
Excuse me, is that I saw this barcode banana Jordan discount?
Yes, thank you.
No matter what type of PDAs or mobile phones you have, you can still use Live Scan. It's because we designed adapter for you. Follow easy steps and you will enjoy the funny things offered by us. If your PDAs or mobile phones are with no scanner, you can simply plug our adapter into PDA or your mobile phone. Follow the steps, scan the barcode, import the recognized barcode and move the recognized one to the software. You will enjoy it. If your mobile phones or PDAs are newer model, great! Follow the easy steps and get fun from us.
After you've got the barcode, the software of LiveScan will convert the barcode to text-based string and then use the strings to do different jobs. For schedule entry, the XML strip will enter the schedule into your application such as Outlook Express. For the web link entry, the XML strip will open the web browser and goes to the link in the barcode information automatically. And finally, for the text information display, the XML strip will open the converted string with the word processor directly. Then you can bring the information with you everywhere. From the cases above, you can see that LiveScan can change your living method. It can speed up your process by saving your time, and it is accurate and convenient. The scheduling function can help you to enter the schedule to your PDA, mobile phone, or notebook in a few seconds. The web link scanning function can save your time that you need not to enter the long web link. Also, all information are included in the small barcode. Less paper used, the more green the earth is. LiveScan can make your life digital, and I'm sure that it will be very common all over the world very soon. LiveScan, scan of your life, scanning your life.